You are watching Wise Tech Engineering YouTube channel by Muhammad Abdul Mehboob. Today I am going to explain you isometric view problem. So you have a isometric view you have to draw of a machine component as shown in the figure. So this is the figure, this is the front view, this is the top view, and this is the side view. So according to this front view, top view and side view, you have to draw the isometric view. So how to draw this figure? So I am explaining you in detail. So please watch my videos till the end, and also share, like and subscribe my channel, and please press my YouTube channel bell icon to get you the more notifications of other videos. And please, after watching my video, please also practice by yourself, then only you will come to understand clearly. So please guys, watch my videos till the end. Now I will start my question. Draw the isometric view of the machine component shown in figure. See, this is the front view, this is the top view, and this is the side view. So according to this, first I am drawing a front view from here. Why means you can draw from here also or here also. It depends on you. So I am drawing this front view from here, and this top view from upside, and side view from this side. Okay, automatically you will have all the figures of the isometric view. So first, see the front view and top view. See, in front view you are having, by seeing from here, a rectangle shape is seeing like this. So you have to draw this rectangle shape of 12 mm height and having width of 60 mm and height of 30 mm. Means this big rectangle shape is of 60 mm and 30 mm. So you have to take 60 mm here, like this, on this 30-degree angle, 60 mm, and this one is 30 mm. Okay, then its height is 12 mm. So we have to take the height of 12 mm straight like this, 12 mm. Okay, then join this line. You will get a plate of 12 mm rectangle shape, and this is of 60 mm. According to this line only, you have to draw another line, but you have to draw this line somewhat light, 60 mm. Later on I will show you why I am doing that, and this will be 30 mm. Automatically you have 30 mm. Okay, and this square plate in the top view, it's this 60 mm 30 mm plate we are looking, and in the front view from here, this square plate is also visible. Now second step we have to do, but second step width is, we are having a 7.5 distance from here, 7.5 distance from here. So we have to take 7.5 distance from here. For the second plate, we have to, for the drawing. So I am taking 7.5, taking a point like here, and 7.5 from here. Okay, this plate width we got, the height is of 12 mm. Okay, so 12 mm height we have to take, and its second plate, second step, total height is how much? So we have to see in the top view, he has not given, so we have to see in the side view. So this is the second plate. The width of this plate is, from the side view if you see, the width of the plate will be 15 plus 7.5 will be 22.5. So we have to take 22.5 mm from here, 22.5, with this angle parallel to it and this angle parallel to it, 22.5. Then join this line. You got the plate of this 22.5 and this much. How much you have got? 30 plus 7.5, that will be 7.5 is 15, 30, 45. See, automatically you have 45 mm. The height of this plate is 12 mm, so you have to take 12 mm each. From this side, like this. Okay, then join this point. You will automatically have the second plate as given in the question. And this is of how much? 22.5. No, parallel to it, we have to draw 22.5 line from here also, and join this. The second plate you will get automatically like this. The remaining inside of this plate, you can rub it or you can keep it like that only. It's up to you. So I am rubbing it to get you the clear view of this figure. Okay, then dark this line also. You will have a clear view of this figure. Now for the third step, in the second step, now third step is of having 30 mm width and having height of 15 mm, and its width is in the front side we are giving 15 mm, mean 15 mm, and this one will be 30 mm, 15 mm. So the distance between these two plates is of 7.5 only. So we have to take 7.5 from here. I am taking a dot line like this, 7.5 from here. I will get the 30 mm width. See, point to point you will have 30 mm. So the width is 15 mm. So we have to take parallel to this angle 15 mm from here and 15 mm from here. And automatically you will have this line to join this. And height is also 12 mm. So we have to take 12 mm height according to this perpendicular line 12 mm like this. 12 mm, 12 mm, then join this. This line is of 15 mm, so parallel to this line only we have to draw 15 mm line from here also and joining this. Okay, and this is the solution. The remaining inside of this figure you can rub it to make you clear view. I am rubbing for that, so you can keep it like that also, but it should be light, somewhat light it looks. You have to draw light that lines. The remaining view you have to draw it dark. It depends on your pencil how you are taking light lines and dark lines. And this is your view. Okay, and this is the complete solution. Now you see from the front view, the front view should be look like this in the isometric view. This rectangle shape is this one of having 60 mm and 30 mm, 60 and 30 mm plate, that is of front view. This plate is in front view and this plate is second step and third step. From the front view it look like okay, and from the top view this small rectangle shape is this one, and this area this one, and this area this one. That is the top view of this figure, of this isometric view. And the side view, if you see this figure from the side, this rectangle shape you will see, and second step and third step rectangle shapes. And this is the complete solution of this figure. Hope guys, if you like my videos, please share, like and subscribe my channel, and also watch my videos till the end and also practice by yourself. Then only you will come to understand how to draw this problem. Thank you.